Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you the new Google TV that I just purchased. It is the TCL 43 inches 2025 edition. This is it here. So I want you guys to unbox it with me. As you can see, this is TCL. This is 24. This is 43 inches. This is 2025 edition. So I don't need to tell you guys much about the 2025 43 inches TCL version. So I don't need to tell you guys much about the spec. For those who know much about Google TV or TCL versions. So I want you guys to unbox it with me, so let us get started with the unboxing process. So let's just get the unboxing started. So it comes with, as you can see here, I think this is the, okay, this is the cable. This is the cable inside this box here. Then comes like this. So you can see, okay, this is where the remote control, the stand, and all of that is. So wow, so this is the TV. I need to be careful of this. So this is the TV. Yeah. So that's all. What was inside the box? We have the TV, the cable, the remote control, and the TV stand. Those are the things inside the box. And there's also a manual for you inside the packet. And the remote control also comes with what's it called, a pair of battery for you to get it started. So that is all about unboxing my TCL Google TV 43 inches, the 2025 edition. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to try and set it up here and put it on my TV shelf. So looking at the component of the TV comes with two HDMI ports. Here are the two HDMI ports. One for the internet connectivity, for those who want to connect to the internet using the cable method, and also it has a what's it called, for headsets, all those wired headsets. It also has what's it called, out of the USB cord as well. So as you can see here, the what's it called, the ports that comes along with the TCL 43 inches Google TV. So let us try and put on the TV and let us try and see the internal features that comes with the TV. So guys, I want to put on the TV, and don't forget that the TV comes it comes with a pair of battery, so you can insert the battery into the remote control. So let us try and put on the TV now. So I've put on the TV. So this TV comes with Bluetooth 5.0. It's just like I showed you at the back. There's HDMI ports. There are different type of ports that you can play around with. And one thing I love about this TV that it is bezel-less. It has no metallic bezels. So, and it is very, very wide. This is a QLED version of the TCL version. This is a QLED version. And one thing I hate about this type of TV is that it takes time to load. Like, it takes forever to load. As you can see, let us hold on. Wow, it takes time to load compared to other smart TVs. So let's look at the internal features that comes with the TV. So it has a screensaver. You can also add a Google account. So it has a screensaver. It has you can connect to the internet. It has Bluetooth. Just like I said, you can connect to your Bluetooth device if you want to play music, or you want to make use of external speakers like JBL. All this Bluetooth, all the things that is with Bluetooth, you can connect your Bluetooth to it as well. So, and don't forget that you can also make use of, it's not must you watch YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video. You can also attach your game console for those who are just casual gamers. If you have a PS4, a PS5, you can play games on this TV. It's not a must you watch just YouTube, Netflix on it. And if the peradventure you want to attach your cable to this TV, you can be free to do that. This TV allows you to attach a cable device. So as you can see, you can make use of the antenna, the cable, the ATV. You can make use of it. So it has a lot of features that you can play around with. So this TV is very, very beautiful. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. And if you have any questions regarding this TV, regarding this TV to be precise, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. And don't forget to like my YouTube video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, see you in my next video.